this is Girish from Four Wise Dudes. Of lately, I've been bunking quite a lot of our videos, and this has got the other dudes really angry. To get back to me, they wanted me to do a solo video. Now, this prospect is quite scary for me, and I'm really nervous. But at the same time, I'm really excited about it. So, to not goof up too much, I've come up with a topic which is really simple. A topic to which we have been listening to since we were in our mom's wombs. Yes, I'm talking about Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem. What are you all doing here?
You thought we would let you do this video alone?
No, this is my video. You all should not be here.
Really, bro?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
Okay, then tell us what this video is about.
Dudes, this is the Republic Day special, and we are talking about JGM, Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem. Now that you all are here, I want you all to help me with something. We want to ask a few questions to the people regarding JGM.
Okay, no problem. Let's go. So are you guys ready?
You owe it to yourself.
Can I ask you a few questions about Republic Day? First question is, who wrote a national anthem?
National anthem. Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
In which language was it written in?
Bengali.
Bengali.
Devangiri.
Okay. What would you do if you see someone not standing up during the national anthem?
We can request them, please stand up for our anthem to respect our country.
First of all, I would let the national anthem finish, and then afterwards I would go to the person and ask him to watch all the patriotic songs, movies, and then if he doesn't feel patriotic about the nation, then I would, I can't do anything, because if he doesn't feel patriotic from inner side, then
I'll tell you to stand up to disrespect नहीं करने के लिए Indian King national anthem.
I will wait till national anthem ends. Then I will go to him and ask him that, do you respect your mother?
Nice.
If he said yes, then I will ask him that why would you not respect your nation or India?
The national anthem ends as Jai Hai, Jai Hai, Jai Hai. To whom are we referring to when we say Jai Hai?
I think the whole nation.
Jai Hind.
Isn't it quite funny that we have been singing the national anthem for ages and ages, and yet for some reason we do not really know to whom we are singing Jai Hai to? Let me tell you a short story. In the year 1911, King George V, the ruler of the British Kingdom, was to visit India. He was also to attend the Kolkata Congress meeting. A dear British friend of Rabindranath Tagore requested him to write a song in felicitation of King George V. This request really disturbed Rabindranath Tagore, and it stirred his heart. So, instead of writing a song in felicitation of King George V, he wrote a song in felicitation of our Bhagya Vidhata, the writer of our destinies. In a letter of his, he has clarified that he would never ever write a song in felicitation of King George V, VI, or for that matter, any King George. Unfortunately, people even today still have their doubts and say, how can a song written to welcome the British King be our national anthem? We love Rabindranath for the poet that he was, but then we respect him more for his cleverness. Now let me tell you, this is just a hunch, but quite a possibility. Rabindranath Tagore, at the time of writing this song, never knew that this was going to be our national anthem. He might have written a song which the Bengali ignorant British reporters perceive as a felicitation to the king. Just because it was sung on the occasion of welcoming the king, we Indians should not doubt that it was written and addressed to the god, especially when Rabindranath Tagore has himself clarified it. So now there you have it. The Jai Hai that we sing is for the god. Nowhere in our constitution has it been written that we need to stand up or sing the national anthem. All that is expected out of us is that we give it its due respect. However, beware, you can be prosecuted if you disturb someone who is peacefully singing the national anthem or you disrespect the national anthem. When you see the national anthem being played on the TV or in movies or on YouTube, or for that matter even in this video, you need not stand up. Come 26th January, we all will be singing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. However, the unfortunate fact remains, even after singing Jana Gana Mana for years and years, we do not know the exact meaning of the national anthem. Today, we have with us the very talented Madhura Shukla, who would be explaining to us the meaning of Jana Gana Mana and also singing it.
Hi all!
Also, we are very fortunate to have the team members of a super band called 1K Ampere. Please introduce yourselves.
Hi friends, I am Utkarsh Dabe. I play flute.
Hi friends, I am Omkar. I play guitar. You can catch up with us on social media at the links given below in the description.
Hi Girish, thanks for calling me. Basically, Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata means victory be to Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, the writer of the destiny of India, the one who rules the minds of all people. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Manga. That means your name resonates from the lands of Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, that is South India, and Bengal and Odisha. Vindhya, Himachala, Yamuna, Ganga, Uchchala, Jaladhi, Taranga. That means your name echoes in the hills of Vindhyas and Himalayas. It mingles in the music of the waters of Yamuna and Ganga and is chanted by the waves of the Indian Sea. Tava Shubha Name Jage, Tava Shubha Ashish Mage, Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha. O Bhagya Vidata, all these people pray for your blessings and sing your praise. Impart well-being to all people. So this is what our beautiful national anthem means. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Vanga, Vindhya, Himachala, Yamuna, Ganga, Uchchala, Jaladhi, Taranga. Tava Shubha Name Jage, Tava Shubha Ashish Mage, Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha. Jana Gana Mangaladayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He. Jaya, 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 Jaya He.
A very happy Republic Day to all our viewers. Subscribe to our channel 4Wise Dudes. You can share our videos, like them, comment on them. Also do check our other interesting videos. Thank you.